Thailand's culinary scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, aromas, and textures. And at its heart lies a dish that embodies the country's love for bold, aromatic, and satisfying meals: noodle soup. From bustling street food stalls to humble family-run restaurants, the fragrant steam of simmering broths and the clatter of spoons against ceramic bowls are a constant presence.
Noodle soups are more than just a meal in Thailand. They are an integral part of the cultural fabric, a testament to the country's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Noodle soups are consumed throughout the day in Thailand, enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Their versatility is part of their charm, offering a comforting and flavorful meal for any occasion. The beauty of Thai noodle soups lies in their ability to cater to a wide range of palates, with options ranging from fiery and sour to creamy and savory. Whether you're seeking a quick and affordable lunch or a flavorful dinner adventure, Thai noodle soups promise an explosion of taste and a glimpse into the heart of Thai cuisine. The variety of broths, noodles, meats, and toppings ensures that each bowl is a unique culinary experience, reflecting the diversity and creativity inherent in Thai cooking. Traveling on a budget often means making strategic choices, especially when it comes to food. While exploring the world of culinary delights is a highlight of any trip, it's easy to overspend, especially in tourist-heavy areas.
That's where the $10 challenge comes in, a quest to discover the most delicious and authentic Thai noodle soups without breaking the bank. The goal is simple: to find the most flavorful and satisfying bowls of noodle soup for $10 or less. This challenge isn't about deprivation. It's about experiencing the true essence of Thai cuisine while proving that you don't need a hefty budget to eat well.
It's about venturing beyond the well-trodden tourist paths and discovering hidden gems tucked away in local markets and street corners. The $10 challenge is an invitation to immerse yourself in the local food scene, to engage with friendly vendors, and to savor the authentic flavors that define Thai cuisine. It's about embracing the art of budget travel without compromising on taste or experience. Navigating the culinary landscape of a new country, especially one as renowned for its food as Thailand, can be both exciting and overwhelming. Tourist hotspots often come with inflated prices, and it's easy to fall into the trap of overpaying for mediocre meals.
However, with a little research and a willingness to explore, it's entirely possible to find incredible food on a budget. The key is to venture beyond the main tourist drags and into the heart of local neighborhoods. Look for small, family-run restaurants or street food stalls where locals gather. These hidden gems often offer the most authentic and affordable meals, prepared with fresh ingredients and a generous dose of local flavor.
Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations or to try something new. Food is an integral part of Thai culture, and locals are often eager to share their favorite spots with visitors. Embracing the spirit of adventure and stepping outside your comfort zone can lead to some of the most memorable and delicious meals of your trip. The world of Thai noodle soups is vast and diverse, with countless variations reflecting regional specialties and personal preferences. However, three iconic soups stand out as must-tries for any food enthusiast: Tom Yum, Khao soy, and boat noodles.
Tom Yum, with its fiery broth, tangy lime juice, and aromatic lemongrass, is a symphony of flavors that awakens the palate. The broth, often made with a base of chicken or shrimp stock, is infused with chilies, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves, creating a complex and aromatic flavor profile.
Khao soy, a northern Thai specialty, offers a creamy and comforting experience. The coconut milk-based broth is rich and flavorful, while the addition of crispy egg noodles provides a delightful textural contrast.
Boat noodles, traditionally served in small bowls from boats floating on canals, are a testament to the ingenuity of Thai cuisine. These flavorful soups, often made with a pork broth, are packed with intense flavors thanks to the addition of herbs, spices, and fermented soybean paste.
Each soup offers a unique and unforgettable culinary journey, showcasing the diversity and creativity of Thai flavors.